Well, we're back to the 2000 Ford Focus. I've replaced the rear torque strut underneath on the firewall. Transmission mount, still have the vibration. Now we're going to replace the main motor mount to the passenger side at the top and see if that fixes the problem. So there's one bolt right here that holds this overflow reservoir in for the coolant, 10 millimeter right against this fender. I'm going to pull that out of there. No big deal there. I believe there's a little clip in the back here. I need a screwdriver to push it in to release it. I believe that's all that holds it in. I think. We'll see. It's right down in here, which I'm sure you can't see. But I believe that's all that holds it in. Let's see what we got here. I can see it. I just got to figure out how to release it. There it goes. Yep, just a little metal clip. That's it. So I should be able to just kind of peel this out of the way enough, I hope. I don't really feel like tearing this apart if I don't have to, which I don't think I do. A little bit of a nuisance here. Let me unclip a couple of clips here on these lines. See if we can release this a little more. Yeah, there we go. Get that out of the way. 2 bolts here. I have this engine on a floor jack with a block of wood under the engine, under the oil pan to hold it so it won't drop. You want to make sure you do that. I think the easiest way is there's one bolt here, one bolt down here on either side of this mount, and 2 bolts here. So I think we'll release these 2 first and then undo that, because I know there's a stud that goes down through the bottom of this mount. It's buried by this bracket, so this bracket definitely has to come off. I think these are 15 millimeter, and these are probably 19 or 17. Let's find out. 18. We'll go with these 2 first. Get them both loose here. There's an extension for that. 'See the engine just drop a little bit there. Just going to give it a little more pressure. Hold it. 1. 15. Back and forth here. 1. And 1 on either side of that bracket. And I'll show you why that's easy to do. There's 2. 3. I think that's it. I'm going to pick this up a little bit and see if I can get the pressure off of the bracket. There it goes. Let's get the pressure off of it a little bit. There. Let me just figure out how to get it out of here around this hose. Probably like that. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment. Come on, really? So on the bottom, that's where it attaches. You have to get to that. The only way to get to that is to pull the whole bracket. It's probably 15 as well. I'm going to unzip that from there. This has a little protrusion here. goes into here. Keeps it lined up for you. I'm going to put that nut back on the new one. Put this back in here. Lined up here. Let my engine down a little bit, I think. Well, I think it might be smarter if I gotta move it around a little bit here to get it lined up. So it's obviously shifted forward on me. I've got to shift it back. I think I have to let it down a little bit. That's probably enough. Get a little too much. Let me get it, this is definitely not down all the way, so that engine's got to come up. So this has to be sitting right flush with the bottom, and I'm a good inch from being on, so let me move the engine up. Wiggle it around, make sure I got it in the right place here. Bolt started. Just want to get them started, get it lined up, and get my hammer out of here. Not a little tight yet, but I do want to get them started. It's got to move significantly to the back, and this has got to, the engine starts to come up, so. Still a little more, not much. I'm almost there. It's definitely rolled forward a little bit on me, so I gotta kind of push it into place. See if I can get another bolt started here. Sometimes it's the biggest pain. It's just trying to get it lined up right to get it back in. So got that one started. 2 out of 3. Third one, last one, probably taking an hour. Knowing how it usually goes. I've actually got to go that way a little bit. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but figure it out. Somehow, we'll figure it out. Oh, that's much better. Almost got that completely lined up. Get my top 2 nuts here started. Just get them in place. All right. Wrong one. These are 15. And snugging them up from there. Everything's snugged up. Gonna pick this up just a little and see if I can. Okay, I just want to make sure it's down all the way on this mount. Or the mount's all the way down on it, I should say, really. Come on. Which, it needs to go down a little bit. See, I kind of pull it down a little bit. Let me go finish tightening this bracket up now. Should not be able to go anywhere now because I have that mount tightened up. So I should be able to let this, I'm going to let this down slowly and see. Probably going to drop a little bit. The frame's going to drop a little bit. It's tight. Bracket looks good. Just going to tighten that back up. We'll stick our overflow reservoir back in place here. Should we put our hose back on the clip that we undid here in the front. Get that started in place. Good. Get down over our pin in the back here. Back on and put our 10mm bolt back in that fender. Back to the small gun for that. You don't want to break this thing off. Not much to it. You can turn my gun down for this one, even the small gun. Turn it down. Well, that's it for the upper passenger side motor mount for the single overhead cam 2000 Ford Focus. Did get rid of my vibration, so that was the problem. Pretty easy. 15-20 minutes. Not hard at all. If you have this problem with your car, I hope this helps you out. If you like the videos, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.